Welcome to Aabidaaryan, where simple food is made with care, love, and honesty. Today from my little kitchen, we're making a soulful and spicy Sundakkai Vatha Kuzhambu. Start by frying the Sundakkai in hot gingerly oil until it puffs up and turns deep brown. This gives it its signature flavor. Next, soak a small ball of tamarind in warm water and squeeze it to extract the juice. This forms the base of our Kuzhambu. In a kadai, heat gingerly oil and temper with mustard seeds, curry leaves, fenugreek, urad dal, and a pinch of asafoetida. Pour in the tamarind juice. Add turmeric, sambar powder, and salt. Mix well and bring to a boil. Now add the fried Sundakkai. Let it simmer gently until oil floats on top and the Kuzhambu thickens beautifully. Serve hot with white rice, a spoon of ghee, crispy appalam, and potato fry on the side. A timeless comfort combo. See you in the next recipe. Until then, keep cooking with love. Aabidaaryan.